How to build confidence as an athlete. My name is Eric Zier. I'm a CrossFit Level 3 coach. I've also coached at the CrossFit Games twice. Business owner, entrepreneur. Here are some insights that will help you build your confidence. Number one, you want to set clear expectations of what you're trying to achieve in your workout. Part of those expectations are you being realistic about where you are right then and there. If you are fully recovered, feel great, feeling good, realize that you're going to be at like 100%. If you have trained a pull movement with rowing and you've pulled again on Tuesday and you've trained lower body, I wouldn't expect to PR something on Thursday or Friday if I've trained 4 or 5 days in a row. So set really clear expectations for what you want to get out of that workout for that day. Number two, if I'm doing a workout for time, I'm going to focus on my split times. What this does is it allows me to learn and gauge my workouts. So if I know that I'm aiming for getting 20 burpees and 20 box jumps and a 400-meter run done in, we'll just say 6 minutes, and I'm around that pace, I know if I'm doing what I'm supposed to do consistently. If I'm just going in blindly, I have no idea how long 3 rounds of that workout might take me. I want to have a really clear understanding of what my split times are before the workout and pay attention to it during the workout. Tip number 3 for building confidence is actually to go negative in your split times. What I mean by that is that you're going to start out going slower and then build in speed throughout the workout. What that does is train your body to go faster under fatigue. It's a great way to build confidence and finish off really strong as an athlete. It also makes your workouts way less painful. The first round takes you 7 minutes. Well, maybe the next workout is 6:30, and the next round of that is 6 minutes. And when you do the final 4th round, maybe it's at like 5:45. It gives you the ability to go a little bit faster each and every round. Again, that will help you build confidence. Way to build confidence number 4 is going to be for you to focus on your own best effort. Realize that your best effort has nothing to do with anybody else at any particular time. It has to do with what you are capable of or what you're trying to achieve at that specific moment for that specific workout. So one of those harder things to do, because I think a lot of people get caught up in everyone else around them, almost like shiny object syndrome. I definitely think that if you can focus on your own best effort, you'll get way more out of the workout and you'll also feel way better about it afterwards, therefore building more confidence in what you're actually doing. The 5th part of this is to relate it back to your original goal. There's a reason why you're working out. If your goal for working out is to lose weight, understand that if you work out and you do a 20-minute workout, it's moving you in the right direction for you to reach your goal. So therefore, it will build more confidence in what you're actually doing. If you don't relate it back to your goal, it's really hard to build confidence in that piece. It just kind of like floats out there in no man's land. My goal might be to get stronger. So I know if I'm putting in the work and checking the box at certain percentages, I know that I'm putting in the work and therefore will get better over time. It's a compound interest game. So relate what you're doing back to your goals. Our top 5 tips for building confidence are: 1, set clear expectations. 2, understand your weights or your split times for the workout. Number 3, go negative if you can with some of these split times for workouts. Number 4, focus on your best effort. And number 5 is relate the workout back to your goal and what you're actually trying to achieve. Hopefully this helps with you building confidence inside and outside of the gym.